Hey there, are you looking for a way to effortlessly boost your income? In this video, we'll explore a free GPT site that offers exciting earning opportunities. You'll learn how easy it is to make extra cash in your spare time. Don't miss out. Join us and unlock the potential of this incredible platform today. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest ways to make money online. And let me know in the comments below, what country are you watching from? I'm always looking to make videos that are perfect for your region. All right, let's get into it. Let me tell you how I'm making instant cash with Qmee and how you can do it too. So Qmee is a totally free GPT site. If you've tried other sites that pay you in points or weird gift cards, forget all that. With Qmee, you earn real cash, and you can cash out instantly, literally whenever you want. No minimum. Here's how it works. Qmee offers tons of online surveys that match your profile. You just open the app or use your browser, pick a survey, and get paid straight to your PayPal or Venmo when you're done. It's super user-friendly. I usually do a survey or two on my commute during downtime or even while I'm studying. But here's the cool part. Qmee has a unique way to earn that I haven't seen anywhere else. All you have to do is install the Qmee browser extension. Then, just use Google like you normally do. Sometimes, special ads will pop up, and when you click them, you get paid. It's seriously that simple. Just search the web and watch the cash add up. Want to make even more? Qmee lets you invite your friends to join. Every friend who signs up with your link earns you a little extra. And honestly, it adds up faster than you'd think. And don't forget, keep an eye on Qmee's social media. They run free contests about once a week, usually asking you to leave a quick comment on a Facebook post. The prizes are often around $10, and it takes almost no effort to enter. Now here's what sets Qmee apart. You can cash out however you want, whenever you want. There's no waiting around until you hit a certain amount. PayPal, Venmo, gift cards, just pick your favorite and get your money instantly. So if you're looking for an easy, flexible way to make money online every day, give Qmee a try. Download the app or add the browser extension and start earning cash in your spare time. Tell me in the comments what you think, or if you've tried Qmee already. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss a new side hustle tip. Thanks for watching and happy earning.